So why quantity matters more than quality in SEO automation? So let's just talk about it. So let's just consider two articles, right? So one domain A, what they do is they write 10 articles a week and covers something around 100 keywords per 10 articles to rank. And then the domain B, they automate 100 articles per week. And the chances of they covering keywords is higher than the domain A. So let's just keep it 5 times, which is a 500 keywords per 100 article. Okay, to rank. Now, the domain A focused on quality and domain B focused on quantity. Now, it depends on niche, because some niches it needs more quantity, more number of articles in order to get topical authority, and some need quality. But again, we cannot do that, but my always go-to answer is quantity. So as long as you're publishing many articles as possible and being consistent, very important, being consistent throughout the month or a year, you're going to achieve rank for and get impressions for high number of keywords. And your chances of, if you get more keywords, more impressions for more keywords, then your chances of improving and gaining topical authority is far greater than domain A. So that's why I say, quantity matters more than quality in SEO automation. By the way, you're automating it, so you're not writing it. So of course, you should produce more content. You can use a tool simple as Arwall to write.